My name is Martyn Burnett. I'm the Managing Director of Hughes Salvidge. We at Hughes Salvidge are very proud to be the first demolition contractor to achieve the Carbon Trust standard. It's important to us as a company to get the message across to our clients that we are very conscious about the environment that we work in.
The Carbon Trust is a mission-driven, independent, not-for-profit company that helps organisations accelerate the move to a low-carbon economy. And what that means in practice is we help organisations reduce their resource consumption and improve their performance in the environment. Certification fits in by assessing an organisation's performance against an internationally recognised standard so that organisations can demonstrate their achievement against that standard and be recognised on a consistent basis around the world. So Hughes Salvidge are the first demolition company to achieve the Carbon Trust standard, and that's worldwide, and that's a really significant step. It's the first company in the sector to do it, and it's taking a lead in the sector. The reason it's important is that construction is a huge part of greenhouse gas emissions, and clearly a lot of construction projects now involve demolition of pre-existing sites, and the reuse of material in construction from demolition sites is really important to reducing emissions from the sector.
Over the last few years at Hughes Salvidge, we've invested largely in new technology, in the machinery that we have bought to lower the emissions, fuel saving up to 40%. Our latest addition is new crushers that are diesel electric that reduces fuel by 50%. We've invested heavily in new cars that are hybrids. This all helps to reduce our environmental impact.
We chose the Carbon Trust standard because a lot of our clients have got the Carbon Trust standard, and as a leading demolition company we wanted to be at the forefront and showing our clients exactly where we stand on the carbon emissions. Hughes Salvidge have been on the journey for the last 2 years, and it's been great that the Carbon Trust standards come along and been able to validate what we've done to show that we've been doing things correctly, and also then showing to our clients and prospective clients that we are working towards what they are wanting to achieve. And as a company we want to continue to show this and lead in this market.
The Carbon Trust standard is typically achieved by organisations that are at the leading edge of sustainable development, and current bearers of the Carbon Trust standard include the Department of Energy and Climate Change, Marks & Spencer, Whitbread, npower. These are organisations that are at the leading edge of sustainable development, and Hughes Salvidge has become the first demolition company to join that elite group of brands. And I think we're going to see more and more organisations in the sector think this way and move in this direction, and it's great to see Hughes Salvidge taking the lead.